Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'm one of the librarians here at Richmond Community College. In this video, we're going to use the library's search function to take a broad research topic and narrow it down to something that we can cover in a single paper. So we're going to start with the quick search tool, and let's pick a topic that's really fun and everybody loves, like vaccination. So the keyword search for vaccination brought up over 1 million results. In this results list, we are going to have articles from pop magazines, books, book reviews. Our instructor told us that they only want to see scholarly journal articles in our works cited or reference page. But we can use this side table here to narrow it down. So we're going to click on peer review, and that's just going to limit it to scholarly sources of information. We're going to click on journal article, and to get things that are very current, we can limit it to the past 12 months. Just get things that have come out in the past year. So we have gone from, over 1 million hits to just over 12,000. And that's good. But 12,000 is still too much for us to look through. We don't have time for all of that. And really, the topic vaccination is too broad. We wouldn't be able to cover that huge topic in a single paper. So let's go here to advanced, and we are going to narrow it down. So let's say we've done a little bit of research, we've thought about it, and we want to write a paper on the approval process for the COVID-19 vaccine. So we're going to maybe add a couple of fields. We can add and subtract fields with these buttons. We're going to search for approval process COVID-19. All of our criteria, like limiting to the past year, has stayed with us. Peer-reviewed publications, that's still there. Under content type, if we scroll down, it would say journal articles. So we can just hit search. So now we're down from 12,000 to 371. And from here, we could start going through these and looking for relevant hits, but that's still a lot of information. We could probably go more narrow. And instead of going back to the advanced search tool, we're just going to punch it in manually. So let's say we just want to focus on the approval process for the Pfizer vaccine. We can search for that, and now we're down to 45 results. And from here, we could really start going through this list, pulling the most relevant articles, and start building that works cited or reference page. So that's just about it for this video. We do have others on building that works cited page, on citing your resources, using databases. And if you need help doing any of these things, get in touch with the librarian. You can find out how to contact us from our homepage. Lots of ways to get in touch here. You can find our staff right here. And any of these people will be very happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.